Delphin Neo Palace has been redesigned to run more efficiently. Outdoor lounge areas now feel purposefully spaced, and the lobby layout appears built for faster check-ins and smoother guest flow. Inside, the buffet setup looks reworked to reduce crowding during peak meal times, while key public areas like the theater and kids club seem better positioned to keep entertainment areas separate from quieter spaces. I'll be diving into the details as we progress through this review, but due to the huge surge in interest in this new property, booking spaces are limited at the time of recording. So I've included 2 booking links in the description and top comment, giving you the best chance of finding a suitable date and ensuring you get the cheapest rate. All buffet meals, snacks, and most drinks are included in the base Ultra all-inclusive package. Guests have access to an open buffet for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a midnight snack service, plus daytime snacks and patisserie offerings. Local hot, soft, and alcoholic beverages are available without charge across multiple bars, while certain imported or premium options may incur an extra cost. Families can enjoy complimentary access to the on-site aqua park, kids club, and daily entertainment shows. Adults benefit from free use of the fitness center, sauna, steam room, and indoor pool. A la carte dining is included, with 1 free reservation per specialty restaurant during your stay, though advanced booking is required. Other standard inclusions cover beach loungers, umbrellas, towel service, and a daily refreshed in-room minibar stocked with soft drinks and beer. Spa treatments, room service, and some premium experiences are offered at an additional cost. But for most guests, the essentials are already fully covered. I'll break down additional pricing for specific services as we go. Delphin Neo Palace is located in Lara Beach, one of Antalya's most convenient resort zones. It's just a 20-minute drive from Antalya Airport, which makes it ideal for short transfers, especially for families or late arrivals. The hotel sits directly on the beachfront with private access, while local shops, pharmacies, and taxi stands are all within easy walking distance. If you're planning to explore Antalya's Old Town or take day trips, this is one of the best base locations you'll find along the coast. If you're looking to keep costs down while still enjoying the full resort experience, the standard land view room is your most affordable option. It sleeps up to 3 and offers a smart layout with a double bed, a single, and a sofa, ideal for solo travelers, couples, or parents with a small child. At around €110 per person, per night, this room includes free Wi-Fi, access to all resort amenities, and full all-inclusive benefits. Families needing more space should look toward the family room. This layout gives you 2 separate bedrooms with a real door between them, a big win for privacy during longer stays. One room has a double bed, the other 2 singles, plus a sofa. It comfortably fits up to 5 guests, and pricing averages around €170 per person, per night when fully occupied. For couples or travelers who want a quieter, upgraded stay, the Junior Suite offers extra breathing room and sleeps up to 3. It includes a sofa seating area and upgraded furnishings without being overly formal. With rates from €234 per person per night at full occupancy, it's best for guests who prioritize comfort and calm over just space. When it comes to amenities, you've got multiple pools to choose from, whether you want something calm and quiet or kid-friendly with shallow zones and supervision. There's also an indoor heated pool, free to access, which comes in handy on windier days. The gym is open early and has a solid mix of cardio and weights. If you like to unwind after a workout, the sauna and relaxation rooms are included. However, most spa treatments aren't included. Massages start at €45 and go up depending on the package. Still, if you're looking for a full recharge, it can be well worth it. If you're the type who likes a bit of action between meals and pool time, there's plenty to keep you moving. The entertainment team runs daily activities like water games, beach volleyball, and light fitness classes. All optional, all upbeat. It's the kind of schedule that lets you join in when you feel like it, without feeling like you're stuck on a group tour. Evenings shift into something more polished, with stage shows in the amphitheater that rotate between dance performances, live music, and variety acts. These are structured, seated events, not just background filler, and can be a genuine highlight of the stay if you're after low-effort nightlife. Kids are covered too, with a supervised mini club and early evening mini disco. And if you're traveling with teens, they'll likely gravitate toward the arcade or outdoor game zones where they can hang out with minimal supervision. Food at Delphin Neo Palace is designed to keep you well fed without the stress. The main buffet runs like clockwork. Stations are spaced out, service is smooth, and the menu actually changes from day to day. Expect a solid balance of international staples and regional dishes, plus made-to-order corners where chefs grill meats or prep pasta right in front of you. For those craving something more curated, a la carte restaurants like the Italian and seafood venues offer sit-down meals with full service, and they're already covered by the all-inclusive plan. Just make sure to reserve early, especially if your stay is short. Between meals, you're never far from something good. Snack kiosks serve up local specialties like gozleme alongside casual comfort food like burgers or wraps. If you need a quieter moment, the on-site patisserie is your go-to for pastries, coffee, and a bit of calm. It's not just about variety, it's about how easily it all fits into your day. Delphin Neo Palace closes completely during the winter months, from November through March, so this isn't a year-round option. Peak season starts in late spring and builds to full capacity by July and August. Another thing to keep in mind, this is a family-friendly resort across the board. This means that evening shows, kids' activities, and lively dining areas are part of the atmosphere, something to embrace or avoid, depending on your travel goals. If any of these points are deal breakers, check out my playlist linked below for alternative places to stay in Turkey. Compared to other ultra all-inclusive resorts in Lara Beach, Delphin Neo Palace justifies its relatively higher nightly rate with better consistency across food, cleanliness, and service. Where some nearby properties stretch themselves thin with too many gimmicks or suffer from seasonal staff issues, this one keeps operations tight. Fewer breakdowns, faster service, and better upkeep. You're not just getting more stuff included, you're getting it delivered more reliably. But the real value shows up in the day-to-day experience. Meals don't feel rushed, loungers are actually available, and the resort doesn't nickel and dime you once you arrive. That makes it a smart pick for travelers who don't want to micromanage their stay or settle for style over substance. Delphin Neo Palace is best for families who want a high-end beach holiday that's genuinely easy to manage. The entire resort is set up to minimize stress and maximize comfort. Parents will appreciate the walkable layout and smooth mealtime routines, while kids have just enough independence with the slides, club, and shows to stay entertained without getting overwhelmed. That said, couples and older guests who prefer quieter spaces will still find pockets of calm, but this is, above all, a family-first resort. If you're planning a group trip or multi-generational holiday and don't want to compromise on food, cleanliness, or daily structure, Delphin Neo Palace ticks the right boxes. Book your stay at the best price using the links below.